I am going to discuss excitation table characteristic equation of different flip-flop. This is the video number 6 video of flip-flop. So let's consider the PDF. Excitation table. In electronic design, an excitation table shows the minimum input that are necessary to generate a particular next state. In other words, to excite to the next state when the current state is known. In electronic design, an excitation table shows the minimum input that are necessary to generate particular next state when the current state is known. যখন আমরা কারেন্ট স্টেট জানি তখন আমরা পার্টিকুলার একটা নেক্সট স্টেট জানতে হলে কি ইনপুট মিনিমাম দিতে হবে সেটাই এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল। তো প্রত্যেকটা বিপ্লবের নিজস্ব নিজস্ব এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল আছে, সেটা আমাদেরকে মনে রাখতে হবে। This is the excitation table of all the flip-flop. Excited in this excitation table, there is a present state and next state Qn plus 1, and there are SR excitation table for SR flip-flop. There are excitation for JK, T, D, and T. When the present state is 0, next state is 0. To achieve this present state, next state 0, 0, we have to input 0 cross in SR flip-flop. 0 cross mean we can apply 0 in the S, and cross mean you can put 1, either 1 or 0, mean don't care in our input. So to get 0 and the next state is 0, we can apply 0 cross. This is the excitation table, mean excite the input as 0 cross to get 0, 0. মানে হচ্ছে আমরা 0 প্রেজেন্ট স্টেটে নেক্সট স্টেটেও যদি 0 পেতে চাই তাহলে আমাকে এসআর ইনপুটে 0, 1 বা 0, 0 যে কোনো ভ্যালু ইনপুট দিলেই এক্সাইটেড হয়ে যাবে 0, 0 তে। সো দিস ইজ কল এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল। আমাকে ডিজার আমরা নেক্সট স্টেট প্রেজেন্ট স্টেট নেক্সট স্টেট পেতে হলে যে ইনপুটটা দিতে হয় সেটা এক্সাইটেশন টেবিলে ডিটারমাইন করা যায়। ফর 0, 1 the excitation table for SR is 1, 0. For 1, 0 it is 0, 1. For 1, 1 that is don't care 0. To get 1, 1 we have to apply cross, mean you can apply either 0 or 1, that is don't care, or 0. In case of JK people excitation table, for 0, 0 it is 0 cross, 1 cross. For 1, 0, 1 it is 1 cross. For 1, 0 cross 1. For 1, 1 it is cross 0. For D flip-flop, the present state and the next state column is copied. The next state is 0, 1, 0, 1, it is copied 0, 1, 0, 1. We can easily remember the excitation table of D flip-flop with this next column. For 0, 0 it is 0, for 0, 1 it is 1, for 1, 0 it is 0, and for 1, 1 it is 1. Mean the second column mean next Qn plus 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is copied here. For T flip-flop it is toggle flip-flop. For 0, 0 it is 0, for 0, 1 it is 1, for 1, 0, 1, and for 1, 1, 0. For same input it is 0, for different input 1. মানে আমরা 0, 0 এর জন্য দেখতে পাচ্ছি 0 পাচ্ছি, সেম ইনপুট মিন 1, 1 এর জন্য 0 পাচ্ছি, আর ডিফারেন্ট ইনপুট মিন 0, 1 এর জন্য আমরা 1 আর 1, 0 এর জন্য 1। তো এই এক্সাইটেশন টেবিলটা আমাদের একটু মনে রাখতে হবে, কেন কি উইথ দ্য হেল্প অফ এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল উই ক্যান ডিজাইন ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক ইকুয়েশন, উই ক্যান ডিজাইন দ্য কনভার্সন টেবিল, কনভার্সন ফ্রম ওয়ান ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপ টু অ্যানাদার ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপ। আমরা একটা ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপ থেকে অন্য ফ্লিপ-ফ্লপে কনভার্সন করতে পারি। তো এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল ইজ ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইন দ্য ডিজাইন অফ কাউন্টার ডিজাইন। So it is very necessary for the counter design, different kind of counter design. Look at the board. Now excitation table mean to get the present state and the desired next state. What will be the input of that flip-flop? Suppose আমি clock SR নিচ্ছি, so this is the latch concept. We know that is the latch concept, and then there's a clock SR is there. There's a single clock that activates both NAND, this S and R. Suppose the present state is 0 and the next state is 0. We have to achieve 0, 0, present state, next state. Then what will be the input? What will be the excitation input? So this excitation input for 0, 0, about this is the Qn and Qn plus 1. In case of SR, in case of SR excitation table, this is the excitation table for SR. For 0, 0 it is 0 cross, mean you can put 0 here, you can cross mean don't care. SR will be 0 cross. To achieve 0, 0, this is Qn and this is Qn plus 1. To achieve 0, 0 we have to apply either 0, 1 or 0, 0. So cross mean don't care. To achieve, suppose to achieve 0 1. To achieve 0 1, we can apply 1 0. To achieve 0 1, we can apply 1 0. To achieve 1 0, to achieve 1 0, we have to apply 0 1. We have to apply 0 1. For 1 1, we have to apply, for 1 1, we have to apply cross 0. Cross 0. So this is the basic concept of excitation table of this SR. আমাদের এটা মনে রাখতে হবে, কারণ কি আমরা যখন পরে কাউন্টার ডিজাইন করব সেখানে আমাদের এই টেবিলটা সবসময় কাজে লাগবে, কনভার্সনের সময় এটা টেবিলটা কাজে লাগবে। তো আমাদের এটা প্র্যাকটিস করে করে মুখস্থ হয়ে যাবে। মুখস্থ করা খুব ইজি। দেখো এটা 0 0 জন্য 0D, আর 1 এর জন্য এটা D0। বাকিটা 0 1 0 1 দেখা যাচ্ছে, এটা রিভার্স হচ্ছে 1 0, 1 0 হলে এটা 0 1 হচ্ছে, মানে এটা যেটা ইনপুট হচ্ছে সেটা উল্টোটা এখানে কিউএন প্লাস 1 পাচ্ছি। তো এটা মনে রাখতে পারবো আমরা ইজিলি যখন আমরা ডিজাইন করব। তো দিস ইজ দ্য এক্সাইটেশন টেবিল ফর SR। Excitation table of, now consider the excitation table of JK. So Qn plus 1 present state, next state J and K, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are two variables, but there are 4 combination. For 0 0 it is 0 cross, for 1 0 it is 1 cross, for 0 1 it is cross 1, and for 1 1 it is cross 0. So this is the excitation table of it is excitation table of JK. এটা এসআর এ কি ছিল, এটা 0 0 1 এ ছিল, 1 0 ছিল, আর 1 0 তে ছিল, এটা 0 1 ছিল, সেটা এখানে ক্রস ক্রস এসে গেছে। তো এটাও মনে রাখা খুবই কঠিন না। For 0 1 it is 1 cross, for 1 0 it is cross 1, cross 1 1 it is cross 0. So this is the excitation table for JK Biplov. Now the excitation table for D. Excitation table for D. Qn and Qn plus 1. This is the D input. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. The output of this Qn plus 1 is copied here. Means 0 1 0 1. It is easy to remember. For 0 0 it is 0, 0 1 it is 1, 1 0 it is 0, 1 1 4 it is 1. This copy of present next state is copied here in the D. Next state is copied to D. So it is easy to remember the excitation table of D Biplov. Now the excitation table of T Biplov. Now the excitation table for T Biplov in toggle Biplov. This is Qn plus 1, Qn plus 1. This is T excitation input. For 0 0 0 1 1 0 and finally 1 1 is the T excitation input. For this one you can easily remember, for the same input is 0, these both are same, 1 1 and 0 0 same, and when it is different 0 and 1 or 1 and 0 it is 1. So we can easily remember this table. For the same input আমরা দেখতে পাচ্ছি দুটো যদি সেম হয় 0 0 1 1 হয় তাহলে দুটো 0 হবে, আর ডিফারেন্ট হলে ডিফারেন্ট মিন একটা 0 একটা 1 একটা 0 একটা 1 হলে 1 1। তো এইবার কিংবা এইভাবে মনে রাখতে হবে 0 0 0 0 1 এ 1 1 0 তে 1 1 1 এ 0। So this is the excitation table of the different Biplovs. Next I am going to discuss the characteristic equation of different Biplov. Let's consider the PDF. Characteristic equation. A characteristic function equation gives the next state in terms of the current state and output. The characteristic equation which gives the next state in term of current state and the output. In term of current state and the output. Different characteristic equation is given below. The first characteristic equation is to create for SR Biplov. So this is the present state and the next state. In between present state and next state there is a SR input. So we have to write, first of all write 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0. These are decimal binary number of that corresponding decimal. 0 0 0 for the 0 binary number, 1 for the 1 0 0 1. You have to write this way: 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 and 1 1 0, and last finally for the 7 this is 1 1 1. Now the next state. How to achieve the next state? We know in SR Biplov for 0 0 there is no change. To build the characteristic equation we have to know the truth table. We know that for 0 0 আমরা জানি 0 0 এর জন্য কোনো চেঞ্জ হয় না, 0টা রিমেইন 0 Qn plus 1. For 0 1, that is for 0 1 we know it is reset. For 0 1 it is reset. Reset mean 0. For 1 0 it is set. It is set mean always set mean 1. For 1 1 we know it is for 1 1 it is invalid, that is don't care. For again 0 0 1 is remain 1, that is 1 is copied here. No change mean the present state is copied to next state, that is 1 copied to 1. Now for 0 1 it is 0 reset, for 1 0 it is set, and for 1 1 it is again invalid. So this is the table of the characteristic table for the SR flip-flop. Now the K map for the SR. Now the K map for the SR flip-flop. This is the K map. The K map can be constructed from the above table. Put the value where there is a 1 or cross, and we get the result. So look at the screen to learn more. Now, first of all, the design of characteristic function. Design of characteristic function. Characteristic equation. Characteristic equation of SR. To build the characteristic equation, we have to design the truth table first. We have to design the truth table first, and then the present state next state combination. So this is the present state. This is the Q1. This is SR, and this is the next state. Every characteristic table consists of this present state, and that suppose in case of JK, there will be JK and next state. So this is the there are 3 variables. So these are the variable. So there are 8 combination, actually to do 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7, means 0 to 7. That's 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. It can be easily constructed 4 0 4 1. Now we can see that for 7 it is 1 1 1, for 6 1 1 0. We can easily create this table. 1 0 একটা 0 একটা 1, প্রথম টেবিলের কলামে, দ্বিতীয় টেবিলে দুটো 0 দুটো 1, চারটে 0 চারটে 1। এইভাবে তোমরা মনে রাখতে পারো, এটা ইজিলি কমপ্লিট হয়ে যাবে পরীক্ষার সময় লেখার সময়। এবার আমরা ট্রুথ টেবিল দেখব। For 0 0 SR, the present state no change. No change mean a given term no change. For 0 1 it is reset. Reset means সবসময় 0. For 1 0 it is set. For 1 1 it is unknown, mean invalid, cross. For 0 0 no change. What is the no change? No change of this present state 1. For 0 1 0, for 1 1 it is set, for 1 1 cross. So this is the characteristic table. Now we have to design the K map. There is a 3 variable. So 3 variable. So this is the K map for the 3 variable. The A B C, that is mean Qn bar Qn. This is the K map. Qn bar Kn, and this is S bar R bar, S bar R, S R, S R bar. And this is the value of 0 1 2 3 একটা কলাম ছেড়ে 4 5 6 7. Now we have to put the value of 1 and cross here. That's mean this is 1, 2 is 1, and this is 3 is a cross, 4 is 1, 6 is cross, 6 is 1, and 7 is cross. And 0 কে বসাতে দরকার হয় না কে ম্যাপে, only 1 গুলো করছি sum of product. So there is a 1, and this 4 1 is from a এটা চারটে মিলে একটা গ্রুপ হচ্ছে, তো এখানে একটা গ্রুপ, and this 1 and this 1 is another group. তো এই চারটের মধ্যে কমন কি পাচ্ছি, এখান থেকে কিছু কমন পাচ্ছি না, উপর থেকে পাচ্ছি s, দ্যাটস মিন s পাচ্ছি। Qn plus 1 এর টার্মে আমরা বানাচ্ছি কে ম্যাপটা, Qn plus 1 equal to s। এই পুরোটার জন্য দুটোতে s কমন আছে, আর এই দুটো রো এর জন্য জাস্ট এই দুটো রোতে কমন আছে Qn, and কলামে কমন আছে r bar, Qn r bar. So this is the characteristic equation of this SR flip-flop. So we can easily design the characteristic of any flip-flop. This is the simple way to design this characteristic equation. This is the simple way to design this characteristic equation. Look at the PDF again. This is the K map, and the Qn plus 1 equal to S plus Qn R bar. So this is the K map for SR flip-flop. Now this is the characteristic equation also. Now the design of similar way you can construct the JK. This is the characteristic equation for the characteristic equation. Present state, next state, present state input and next state. For 0 0 we know that in JK flip-flop there no change. For 0 1 it is reset 0. For 1 0 it is set 1. For 1 1 it is toggle, when 0 is converted to 1. Again for 0 0 it is no change, 1 is copy here. For 0 1 it is reset 0. For 1 0 it is 1. and for 1 1 it is toggle, mean 1 is converted to 0. Now we can easily construct the k map also and get the value qn bar into j plus qn into k bar. So we can easily construct this characteristic equation in the same way. এটা আমি আগে বললাম যে k map এ বসিয়ে তোমরা বানাতে পারবে। Similarly, for the d biplab, qn t and qn plus 1, we know that second qn plus 1 is for the 0 t toggle biplab. When it is 0, 0 remain 0. For 1 it is remain 1. When the present state is 1, this 1, 0 is 0 and 1 is 1. So that's why the second column is transferred to t is copied to next state. Here in this t biplab, t is copied to next state. This is basically d input is d. The input is d. So this is the excitation table of d biplab. Basically the color input column will be d here. Mistakenly এটা t লেখা হয়েছে, but it will be d. So this is the d biplab, direct biplab. Direct mean the value of this d is copied to qn plus 1. This will be d. There is a mistake, typing mistake of t, but instead of this there will be d biplab. So this is the characteristic equation of d biplab. Now we can design the k map also, and we get the characteristic equation of this d biplab. This is a simple k map. It is a four column, 4 row, two variable, that is 4 row, and the qn plus 1 equal to d. Mean qn plus is copied to d. Output, next output is depend on the present. Next output is depend on the qn plus 1. Next step. Now the characteristic equation of t biplab. Now the characteristic equation of t biplab. Similarly, we have to design the truth table of this characteristic equation. Qn plus 1, qn t and qn plus 1. For 0 0 there is 0 is remain unchanged, 1 is remain unchanged. For qn 1 1, 0 is inverted to 1 and 1 is transferred to 0. That is toggle. When qn is 1 1, then it is toggle. Otherwise 0 copied and 1 copied. So we can also create the excitation table and the design. So this is very helpful in the conversion of one biplab to another biplab. Let us consider the board again. Now the characteristic equation of SR. Now the characteristic equation of JK. JK, in case of JK, we know that in case of JK, J and K, for the same, these are the same 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 situation, 0 0 1 1 and 4 0 4 1. Now for JK, 0 0 is copied to 0, transfer. For 0 1 it is reset. For 1 0 it is set. For 1 1 it is toggle. 0 is toggle to 1. For 0 0 again it is reset. For 0 1 it is set. 1 0 for 1 0, that is 0 0 is unchanged. For 0 0 it is unchanged, there is no change. For 0 1 it is reset. For 1 0 it is set, and for 1 1 it is again toggle, mean 1 is transferred to 0. Now the k map. Now the k map. For the k map, we can design in this way. There is 3 variable. There are 8 cell. First one is qn bar qn, j bar k bar, j bar k, jk jk bar. And 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. There is a 1 in 2. There is a 3 4 1. There is a 4 1 6 1, and there is no 1 is remaining. There are 4 1. 4 1 দেখতে পাচ্ছি। তো এখানের মধ্যে আমরা দুটোতে গ্রুপ করলাম, and this one is গ্রুপ করলাম। তো এই দুটোর মধ্যে রুওয়াইজ কমন কি আছে? qn plus 1 equal to রুওয়াইজ qn bar, and column is j. Plus there is a qn and k bar, qn and k bar. So this is the characteristic equation of JK. So this is the characteristic equation of JK. Now the characteristic equation of D biplab. Now the characteristic equation of D. In case of D biplab, D mean direct biplab. That is this is present state D and qn plus 1. That is 2 variable. There is 4 row. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and we know that D is copied here, means 0 1 0 1. D is copied here. Whatever qn is there, D is copied. Now the k map is there is 4 cell. So this is the qn bar qn and d bar d 0 1 2 3. Here the first 0 1 2 3. This is the decimal number. So there is a 1 in 1 cell. There is a 1 in 3 cell. So this one is grouped together, these both two, and qn plus 1 is d. So it is easy to create this It's like characteristic equation and the K-map. Now the characteristic equation of finally characteristic equation of T. In case of T, we can design also Q1 T, Q1 plus 1, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. And in this case, when it is 1, 1, 0 is toggled to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 0, and for 0, 0, it is remain unchanged. Mean for only 1, 1 in Q1, then 0 is toggled, 1 is toggled. But when it is 0, it is remain unchanged. Mean 0, 1, 2, 3, this is the decimal number of this row. Now the K map is the K map is Qn bar Qn, and this is T bar T 0 1 2 3 position. First one is 1, this one is 1, and 2 is 1. There is no group is formed here. So individual group is there. That is Qn plus 1 equal to Qn bar T plus Qn, and that is Qnt, and that is Qn bar T, and there is Qnt bar. So this is the characteristic equation of T flip flop. So this is the video in which we have discussed the different characteristic equation, then JK flip flops, and there are different kind of excitation table, different excitation table of JK, SR, TET, and other. Thank you very much for watching this video.